or straight 3 points?
Super sarap pumili na ako. Meron na ako.
Ikaw naman, Rene, butterball yan.
Hi guys, dito pala kami ngayon ni Rene Butterbolya. Yes sir. Dumating na yung package ni Kuya Ali Martin from BTA. So, i-open namin. So, ganda. Yes sir. Solid guys.
Sandok.
Solid guys. Super nice. Alright. First, pray before you play. It's like candies. Batman. May sticker pa guys oh. Sobrang ganda.
Sticker, di ba?
Yes sir. Next is Batman. Ano ba? The girls love basketball players. Yes sir. Yes sir. Ganda ko. Sobrang ganda guys. Next is ako yung upload eh. Next is isa. Oh, kita ka din. Student forever. Solid guys. Like, ay, kung ano ni Sister itong nakaon, di ba? Oo. Last. Ito guys, second to the last. Ano, niya po ba eh? Hoodie mo naman ako. Kasi color mo yung black. Ay, same ta. Sobrang ganda guys, oh. Hoodie guys. God's plan. One of God's plan. So now likod is, you may not see it now, but there is a future waiting for you before you play. Solid guys. Yun. So last is thank you kay Boss Ali Martin and
Thank you,
BTA.
Boss Ali.
Thank you so much. So, check yung link sa sa
Comment section.
comment section.
Lahat.
Doon kayo mag-check out. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, the loot got me funny. They think I can't tell. Small dick energy is all that I smell. You better talk to me nice. You better talk to me nice. When your girl's with me, she's all fully nice. If I turn the charm on, then it's all for their type. You better talk to me nice. You better talk to me nice. Yeah. Nah, I ain't trying to look rich with no watch or
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling on FOMO. Babe, I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make